Everyone thinks the best-selling spark plugs are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. NGK LKR7DIX 11S Iridium IX. Priced at around $33.50, this product caught my eye because it's designed specifically for performance enthusiasts. If you want extreme ignitability and improved throttle response, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 0.6mm laser-welded fine iridium tip ensures high durability, giving you a consistent, stable spark. This means your engine fires up smoothly, which is crucial for performance. Plus, the longer insulator prevents fouling, which can seriously affect your engine's efficiency. With over 1,000 units sold just this past month, it's clear that many are trusting NGK for their ignition needs. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit higher than typical plugs. Here's the thing though, if you care about performance and longevity, investing a little more might actually save you money in the long run by reducing engine issues. This is perfect for you if you're a car enthusiast looking to get the most out of your performance vehicle. Skip this one if you just want a budget-friendly option without the need for high performance. For its price, it delivers serious value. Now, if you're concerned about the price of the NGK LKR7DIX 11S, the next one might be a better fit for your wallet, while still delivering solid performance.
Product number 2. NGK G-Power Platinum TR5GP. The NGK G-Power Platinum spark plugs, which you can pick up for about $39.57 for 8 pieces. This caught my attention because of its platinum core, which really stands out. What's great here is that these plugs are designed to operate over a much wider heat range than ordinary plugs. This means they resist carbon buildup and pre-ignition, common issues that can leave you stranded. Plus, NGK's patented triple gasket sealing process eliminates combustion gas leakage, ensuring your engine runs smoother and more efficiently. However, some users have reported that these plugs can wear out faster than expected in high-performance engines. But here's the thing. If you're using these in a standard vehicle, they should last you quite a while, and the performance improvements are worth it. This is perfect for you if you own a regular car and want reliable ignition without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're pushing your vehicle to its limits regularly. At this price point, they provide good value for typical use. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want specific performance enhancements.
Product number 3. NGK LKAR7BIX 11S Iridium IX. Let's take a look at the NGK LKAR7BIX 11S Iridium IX spark plug, priced at around $33.58. This caught my attention due to its design that offers extreme ignitability and anti-fouling features. This product is perfect if you want improved throttle response and reliable performance. The laser-welded fine iridium tip combined with a longer insulator prevents fouling and spark issues. This means fewer misfires and better overall engine performance, which is essential for keeping your ride smooth. Some users mentioned that they found installation a bit tricky due to the tight fit, but honestly, that's a small price to pay for the reliability and performance boost you get in return. This is perfect for you if you're tuning your car for the best performance. Skip this if you're looking for an easy plug-and-play option without any hassle. The value here is solid for performance enthusiasts. Now, if you're looking for something that's specifically tailored for a certain vehicle model, the next product might just be what you need.
Product number 4. NGK Iridium IX for Silverado. The NGK Iridium IX spark plugs specifically designed for the Chevrolet Silverado 1500, priced at $66.40 for an 8-pack. I found this particularly interesting because it's tailored for those V8 engines. What makes this product stand out is its advanced center and ground electrodes that enhance ignition and spark efficiency. This means you can expect faster and more powerful combustion, which translates to better fuel economy and fewer emissions. It's designed to operate reliably in tough conditions, making it perfect for a robust truck like the Silverado. However, I did see some complaints about the higher price compared to standard plugs. But if you're driving a heavy-duty vehicle, this investment can greatly improve performance and longevity, so it could definitely be worth it. This is perfect for you if you own a Silverado and want to ensure it runs at its best. Skip this one if you're looking for a universal fit spark plug that's cheaper. The performance gains justify the cost if you need reliability. Now, if you want a more budget-friendly option that still holds up, the last one on our list could be what you're after.
Product number 5, NGK6619 Iridium Spark Plugs. We have the NGK6619 Iridium Spark Plugs, which you can grab for about $46.95 for a 6-pack. I was drawn in by the promise of operating over a wider heat range, which is crucial for many drivers. These plugs resist carbon buildup and pre-ignition, which can be real headaches if you want a smooth ride. The triple gasket sealing process is a highlight too, as it helps prevent combustion gas leakage, keeping your engine healthy. This means less maintenance and more time enjoying your vehicle. That said, some customers felt that these plugs didn't perform as well in super high performance scenarios, but honestly, for everyday driving and standard conditions, they should be more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you need reliable plugs without overpaying for performance you won't use. Skip this if your vehicle is highly modified or you push it to the limits regularly. For the price, they deliver solid value for everyday driving. In conclusion, each of these spark plugs has unique strengths that cater to different needs and driving styles.
We've covered some fantastic spark plugs today. From performance-focused options like the NGK LKR 7DIX11S to the tailored fit of the NGK Iridium iX for Silverado, there's something for everyone. Remember, the best choice depends on your specific vehicle and driving style.